Top 3 fruits to rebuild muscle after 60. Imagine you're climbing the stairs to your bedroom, and halfway up, your legs feel like they're made of jelly. Your muscles ache, and you need to pause just to catch your breath. As we age past 60, our muscles naturally begin to weaken and shrink in a process called sarcopenia. But what if I told you there are 3 incredible fruits sitting right in your grocery store that can actually help rebuild and strengthen your muscles naturally? Fruits that contain specific compounds scientifically proven to support muscle recovery and growth, even after 60. Today, we are diving into 3 remarkable fruits that contain specific compounds proven to support muscle growth and recovery in adults over 60. By the end of this video, you'll learn exactly which 3 fruits can help restore your muscle mass, how they work in your body, and the simple ways to incorporate them into your daily routine for maximum benefit. Before we start, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Tart cherries. Let's start with a fruit that might surprise you. Tart cherries, also known as sour cherries, are absolute powerhouses when it comes to muscle recovery and growth. Unlike their sweet cousins, tart cherries contain incredibly high levels of anthocyanins, which are potent anti-inflammatory compounds that give the fruit its deep red color. Here's why this matters for your muscles. When you use your muscles, even during everyday activities like walking or lifting, tiny tears occur in the muscle fibers. This is completely normal, but as we age, our bodies become less efficient at repairing these tears quickly. The inflammation can linger, making you feel sore and weak for days. Tart cherries step in like your body's repair crew. The anthocyanins help reduce this inflammation and actually support the protein synthesis process that rebuilds stronger muscle tissue. Studies have shown that people who consumed tart cherry juice daily experienced less muscle soreness and recovered their strength 24 hours faster than those who didn't. The best way to get these benefits is through 100% tart cherry juice, about 8 ounces daily, preferably in the evening. You can also find frozen tart cherries and add them to smoothies or eat them with Greek yogurt for an extra protein boost. Fresh tart cherries work too, but they're seasonal and can be quite expensive. One important note though, tart cherry juice is naturally high in sugar, so if you have diabetes or blood sugar concerns, start with smaller amounts and monitor your levels. You can also dilute the juice with water to reduce the sugar content while still getting the beneficial compounds. Number 2. Blueberries. Blueberries might be small, but they pack an enormous punch when it comes to supporting muscle health in older adults. These little blue gems contain one of the highest concentrations of antioxidants found in any fruit, particularly compounds called anthocyanins and pterostilbene. Here's what makes blueberries special for muscle building. As we age, our muscle cells become more susceptible to oxidative stress, which is basically cellular rust. This damage makes it harder for muscles to respond to exercise and protein intake. Blueberries help neutralize this damage and actually improve the way your muscle cells function. But blueberries offer another crucial benefit that many people overlook. They improve insulin sensitivity, which is critical for muscle growth. Insulin isn't just about blood sugar. It's also an anabolic hormone that helps shuttle amino acids from protein into your muscle cells. Better insulin sensitivity means more efficient muscle building, even from the same amount of protein you're already eating. The compounds in blueberries also support healthy blood flow, ensuring that your muscles get the oxygen and nutrients they need during and after exercise. This improved circulation can make the difference between feeling energized after physical activity or feeling completely drained. For maximum benefit, aim for 1 cup of fresh or frozen blueberries daily. Frozen blueberries are just as nutritious as fresh ones and often more affordable. You can add them to oatmeal, yogurt, smoothies, or just eat them as a snack. Wild blueberries, if you can find them, tend to have even higher antioxidant levels than cultivated varieties. The beauty of blueberries is their versatility and year-round availability. Unlike some other superfruits, you can easily incorporate them into your daily routine without breaking the bank or drastically changing your eating habits. Number 3. Pomegranate. Our final muscle rebuilding fruit is pomegranate, and this one might just be the most powerful of all. Pomegranates contain unique compounds called punicalagins and ellagic acid that have been shown to have remarkable effects on muscle preservation and strength, particularly in older adults. Here's what makes pomegranates special. These compounds don't just support muscle recovery like our other fruits. They actually help prevent muscle breakdown, which is a crucial distinction for people over 60. While muscle building is important, preventing the loss of existing muscle is equally vital for maintaining strength and independence. There's another incredible benefit. Pomegranates contain natural nitrates, similar to what we find in watermelon but in a different form. These nitrates help improve blood flow to muscles and can enhance the delivery of oxygen and nutrients. Research shows this can improve muscle endurance and reduce fatigue during everyday activities. The ellagic acid in pomegranates also supports the production of a protein called myostatin, which regulates muscle growth. As we age, myostatin can sometimes become overactive, essentially putting the brakes on muscle development. The compounds in pomegranates help maintain a healthy balance, allowing your muscles to respond better to physical activity and protein intake. For optimal benefits, aim for half a cup of fresh pomegranate seeds daily, or 4 ounces of pure pomegranate juice without added sugars. Fresh seeds are preferable because they also provide fiber, which supports the gut health necessary for nutrient absorption. Here's a practical tip. Pomegranate seeds can be expensive when fresh, but frozen seeds are often more affordable and just as nutritious. You can add them to yogurt, oatmeal, or eat them as a snack. If you choose juice, dilute it slightly with water to reduce the natural sugar concentration while still getting the beneficial compounds. Now let's recap what we've covered today. We've explored 3 incredible fruits that can help rebuild and maintain muscle strength after 60. Tart cherries fight inflammation with their anthocyanins, blueberries packed with muscle-protecting flavonoids, and pomegranates with their unique ability to prevent muscle breakdown while supporting cellular energy production. The beautiful thing about these natural solutions is that they work together. You don't need to choose just one. Incorporating several of these fruits into your daily routine can provide comprehensive support for your muscles, helping you maintain strength, mobility, and independence as you age. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that consistency is key with these natural approaches. With regular consumption over weeks and months, you can experience real improvements in how your muscles feel and function. This video is intended for informational and educational purposes only. It is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. If you experience any symptoms, discomfort, or health concerns, please consult your doctor or a qualified healthcare provider. Always talk to your physician before making any changes to your diet, supplements, or lifestyle. If this information has been valuable to you, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us continue creating content that empowers seniors to live their strongest, healthiest lives.